How they be doing in the pictures? Girl.
'Cause it's different and we're not the same. There's many things have to change. I got no trouble with my pride. Got trouble cutting ties. I don't wanna be a
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel, I tend to cater to the curvy women of the world. I teach in fashion, lifestyle, and beauty tips. So if that's something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button. And girl, keep on watching because, yo, we are going to do a hair review today. Yeah, I'm super excited. A company sent me a wig to review, so let's get into it. I'm ready. If you're ready, girl, let's go. Let's go. So the company that sent me a wig is Elfin. It's Elfinhair. On the box it says best quality and most competitive price. All my links will be down below, but their wigs come in a box like this. And let's look and see what's inside. First of all, I just opened this box. It comes in a satin bag. Petal like what? Petal like what? Let's open it. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this satin bag. Okay, y'all, so we got gifts. Oh, look at the lashes though. Oh, look at the lashes. The lashes popping. It comes with a comb. It says Elfinhair on the comb. Super duper cute. Y'all. Ooh, they sent me an edge brush. They have wig caps, which we need, okay? What is this? Okay, we have an Elfin card. Love that. And then this is the instruction manual. This says 100% virgin hair. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get into this, y'all. This is actually a water wave closure wig in 20 inches, y'all. Like, wait. Okay, let's talk about the construction of the cap. First of all, it's a ventilated cap. So I don't know if y'all seen or y'all have ever had synthetic wigs. They always have this ventilated cap so your hair won't get hot, girl, okay? Also, it's a glueless wig, so they have this elastic band which you can adjust right here, which I'm excited, girl. Hold on. Let me secure all of them. And I'm going to put it on the shortest. This will go. So see, it's on the longest. I'm going to put it on the shortest because we secure. Okay. The shortest. Yes. Okay. I love that. This wig also comes with combs on each side right next to the closure. And also it has like this sticky adhesive right here. So y'all, this is security. And let's get into the lace. It's already been pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So girl, I'm excited. I'm definitely excited to try this wig. Let's put this thing on and see if it's gonna do something. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna use the wig caps that actually came with the wig, so they definitely come in handy. What I'm gonna do is tint it a little bit. Tinted just means that you're gonna put your foundation on it. I don't know why everybody is so fancy these days, but this is my braid pattern. I'm 100% 4C natural, okay? So I just have braids going down, anchor braids, and then in the back, I just have 2 plaits, okay? Y'all, I hear my son. He's starting up. He's starting up. So let me put the cap on like this. Put it down. And because it's a closure, I'm only going to put the foundation right here, right in here. So I'm gonna do a middle part, so I'm gonna make sure that I'm just patting this foundation in, and also get it right here on that wig band. So we're gonna get that on there real good. You can use powder foundation. I'm just gonna use liquid because it's just quicker. Because we trying to get this on, get it on popping. So make sure you get that rim. That's the most important part. That rim, and then it's here. Okay, y'all see that? Bam. And I'm also going to hit this lace because this is like transparent lace. So I want to make sure I'm going to hit the inside of this with the same foundation. Girl, I'm just using whatever I have to brush it on the wig cap. And I'm going to take it and I'm just going to brush it to tint it, as they say. You can also get lace tint. I haven't gotten to that portion yet of getting lace tints, y'all. I love using foundation because I already know my color and it's gonna match what my face looks like. Okay. Okay. So see, I'm just tinting it. Okay. Okay. To seal in the deal, I'm gonna take this Got To Be spray and hit the wig and hit up here, just to seal in the deal. Okay. So let's put this wig on. I'm excited. I put my wigs on. I put the lace on my forehead like this, and then I put the wig cap band back here, and then I take the back of the wig. Ooh, it's elastic. Oh, it's elastic all the way around, and put that back there. And then I'm gonna put the wig on. Ooh. Okay. First off, I will say, if your head is big, y'all might need a bigger size cap, because this, I love that it's pre-bleached, and y'all can see how my foundation is just seamless right here. But y'all, it's a little tight on my head, and I know I don't got the biggest head, so yeah. And then I'm gonna put the combs in. That's what I'm doing here. Make it even more secure. And secure that bad boy like that. And y'all, this wig ain't going nowhere. No freaking where. Okay. I love it. Right off bat, the hair is super soft, super duper soft. I can just run my hands through it. It's not getting any shedding, but I am gonna wet it to style it. I'm not the type to pre-pluck, so if y'all need to pre-pluck, girl, when I do my hair, I don't do all the hoopla. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I am a easy type of girl, so I'm gonna use this water. Okay, so first, like, Rapunzel, I'm loving it. Okay, so we're gonna work on this middle part right here, and I'm gonna use the comb provided by Elfin. Yeah, they got security on these combs or not. So make sure this part is straight. I need to hurry up. As you can see, y'all, I took this right out the box, and I'm not doing any special to this. Like, no, you don't even need to. When it's good, have to. I'm gonna take some of this Nairobi and put it up here at the top so my part can be crispy, and I'm gonna comb it through. So this is gonna kind of mold the top of the hair down so it can kind of lay flat, so you don't have to use any heat, because I don't like using heat on my curly wigs. But y'all, what? And I'm about to put a little bit of mousse. I don't know if I'm gonna put mousse on this hair or like conditioner. Y'all think I should put the mousse? I'm just gonna put some mousse, because I've been seeing the girlies use mousse in their curly hairs to get it popping. So and make sure you get the ends. Yeah, finger it through. And then I'm gonna do the same over here. 3 pumps. Yes, baby. And then I'm gonna do 1 pump for the ends. And I'm just raking it through. Yes. Maria. Y'all, don't play with the girl. And if I did want to comb it back just a little bit, give it a little dink, a little shoot to do. What? Don't play with me today. Let's not play with the girl today. Let's not. Oh, y'all, I'm loving this water wave pattern. 20 inches on me is hitting me like bra strap length. I'm 5'3", so yes, baby, baby, yeah. So this was a quick and easy hairstyle. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments. But baby, I love this hair. I love this hair. I love this hair. I haven't gotten any shedding right now, like with me applying the mousse and stuff like that. It's laying how I want to. I love how I just took it out the pack. They already cut the lace for you. Yeah. Super, super. Okay, y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so I can post some pictures of me and this hair, because we outside for the summer and this hair. It's so cute. It's really cute. I'm really liking it. I'm loving it. And also the features is glueless. It has security all the way around. It has combs. It has straps. It has adhesive. Y'all jump on this. Hit my comment box. And also don't forget to use my coupon code right here across the screen. If you have any questions, let me know. But until next time, bye guys. Y'all better go get you this. Okay. How they be doing in the pictures? Girl. Oh, I really like it. Okay, bye.
When was you gonna be the first?